with one female over. The Knight Riders are going to have 8 members in the team, while
The
the United team will have 7 players. So there's some advantage which the Knight Riders have in terms of batters and fielders.
So Deep Goyal bowling and Abhijit batting. एक रन के साथ the team United has opened their account.
ऐसे लग रहा है कि धीरे धीरे आराम आराम से खेल के रन बनाने की ठान के आए हैं.
बिल्कुल कुछ ना कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी तो जरूर बनाई होगी इन लोगों ने.
They've identified the space where they want to hit the balls. They know that they all want to take only singles. Keep the strike rotating. Good strategy.
See, after playing 3 matches in the same field, I think they also get an idea, and they've also played with the same teams. So they get an idea about the fielders, and the bowling team also has an idea about the batting team, who performs in what way. And hence these later matches get very interesting.
True. The first dot ball, followed by the first wide ball of the innings. Oh, that was really well run. Good call by Abhijit. Well supported by Samarth. So at the end of the first over, we have 6 runs. An outcome which both the team would be quite okay with.
Exactly.
No wickets lost, no big shots hit.
Now since this is the second over, it should be a bowling challenge. The umpire has indicated that this is a bowling challenge. Abhideep Rajpal.
So after Deep Goyal, we have Deep Rajpal bowling.
Swapnil and Viren are taking care of the boundary. That's a wide
Ball
ball.
बढ़िया थी, but base
free
के
hit.
ऊपर full toss, so it's a free hit. रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स जो अब मैचेस हो रहे हैं प्रीति, उनमें काफी इंप्रूव हो गई है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. And also that is the need of the hour now. They cannot afford to waste any run now, or any ball rather. At
No
this-
ball due to overstepping. Oh, that ball spun. Every dot ball is welcome as far as Knight Riders are concerned.
Very good fielding by Deep Goyal.
Last ball. Wow, super bowling by Deep. Bowling on the leg stump or slightly away from it and getting it to spin inside. Now the ladies over. There's going to be only one ladies over in this match. It's going to be bowled by Krithvi.
Vaishnavi. Batting by Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi.
Krithvi to Vaishnavi. Sarthak on the non-strikers end.
Oh.
The umpire has called for the third umpire to decide whether it's a run out or not. There was some confusion. I think Vaishnavi was not looking at Samarth when he was running, trying to take the run.
इसीलिए संदीप बैटर एंड रनर के बीच में एक अच्छा सामंजस्य होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. They need to have a very good understanding. Otherwise, it creates confusion like this.
That's true. Umpire's decision awaited. And
Not
the
out.
umpire has ruled not out. Sigh of relief for United. That ball was in the air, was just outside Swapnil's reach. Otherwise, he's a very agile fielder. Good bowling by Krithvi. Slight field adjustments being made to take care of the ability of Samarth to go for the big shots. Sarthak.
And that was a real big shot. Sarthak tried his best, but then unfortunately it went out of the field.
The club.
No ball.
I think that was a no ball declared by the umpire. Viren putting pressure on the batter so that on the next ball he does not step out to hit.
Wonderful bowling by Krithvi.
Absolutely. To keep Deepak ji silent for 2 balls is not an easy task.
And
Excellent work by Viren behind the stump.
superb, and that's
Wicket taken.
by Krithvi. Superb. So the team United has lost 2 wickets as of now.
I think after the ladies over, momentum has actually shifted to the Knight Riders, Preeti.
Very
So
true.
which was earlier with Team United.
Agreed.
So some regrouping required at their end. This is now a batting challenge over. They will get double of whatever they indicate they want to play for. 4
So
runs.
the target is 4 runs. The target is 4 runs. That's what.
You know, unfortunately, all the teams are playing very conservatively.
But did you notice, Sandeep, that the kids took a better challenge? They took the target of 5 runs. I think they were the only team who did that.
So Mridul is going to bowl to Samarth.
Target
Target is
4
4
runs.
runs. 14 they've scored at the end of 3 overs. Mridul to Abhijit.
Oh, and
The 4th over, but this is a 7-over match, so 3 more overs to go. Not a bad score.
Not a
but
bad
not
score
a
at all,
Very
yeah.
good score either, in my view.
but I think Team United needs to beef up a little now. Sawat. Quick 1 run taken there by Samarth. Abhijit was pretty swift over there to take the run, and the score right now is 25 runs.
Yeah, I think he got into the crease and that opportunity was missed nanoseconds.
True. शिव बहल फिर से फॉर्म में आ गए लगता है.
Very energetic at the boundary. One player covering up for the other. Oh, what bowling.
Superb.
What bowling. बहुत ही शार्प बॉलिंग करते हैं शिव.
Very sharp.
उनकी बॉल को रीड करना ही बहुत ही मुश्किल है क्योंकि इतनी तेज गति से गेंद आती है आपकी तरफ.
बिल्कुल. At the end of 5 overs, the score is 27 for the loss of 2 wickets. I think अब टीम यूनाइटेड को थोड़ा जम के खेलना पड़ेगा.
मेरे को लग रहा है कि टीम्स बहुत ही कंजर्वेटिव खेल रही हैं. देखिए उनके पास अभी 5 विकेट इन हैंड हैं. एटलीस्ट 2 अच्छे बैटर्स हैं. तो उनको थोड़े चांसेस लेने चाहिए. 2 ही ओवर बचे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
We've seen the caliber of the Knight Riders. Oh, that was a wide ball, well judged, well left.
Second wide ball by Viren. But आपको नहीं लगता है कि अभिजीत is playing very safe at this stage of the game? थोड़ा सा आप खुल के खेलने की जरूरत है.
बिल्कुल.
अब that one,
What a
Samarth
shot.
has done a good job.
Samarth has almost knocked the lights out of the stadium because it has really hit the lights.
And that's a wicket.
An easy catch for a fielder like Deep. But, you know, those chances had to be taken.
Exactly.
One shot, 6, the other one out. That's the nature of the game.
बहुत ही दमदार शॉट था by रोहित जैन. But then again, very good fielding by the Knight Riders.
क्या बॉलिंग करी है वीरेन ने. छह ओवर समाप्त 38 रन बने हैं. One more over to go and Shiv Behl की bowling है. I think the United team might be a bit disappointed with their performance. बहुत ही पेचीदा मामला हो गया उनके लिए क्योंकि शिव बहल की बॉलिंग और चौको छक्कों की जरूरत.
Superb bowling by Shiv and oh, it's a 4. This was the requirement now.
Yes. रोहित जैन बहुत ही जोरदार और दमदार बल्लेबाज हैं.
Or he is taking a good risk now at this stage of the game.
उन्होंने विकेट पूरा खुला छोड़ के खेलना, बॉल को मारना चाह रहे थे, बट क्लीन बोल्ड.
2 more balls to go and the score at this stage is 43 runs.
Bringing Saurav Basu to the crease.
क्या bowling करते हैं शिव, वाह क्या बात है.
Perhaps one of the best bowlers in the game. So 44 runs, 45 runs at the end of 7 overs. This is a 7-over game. Sorry, it's 44 runs, 45 to win.
Yes.
Knight Riders won't be disappointed with their fielding and bowling performance, but still these runs need to be scored.
Requesting the captains of Raheja Visors and Raheja Champs to please come in the commentators arena. Captains of Raheja Visor and Raheja Champs. Team United is planning some strategy. They are. आपको क्या लगता है? How is easy or
Rohit Jain
difficult
is marshalling
it is?
his resources, pepping them up. This game is not lost. 44 might not be a high score, but it's not a low score either. It's a fighting score.
It's a fighting score, especially
A
when
couple of
team
early
ri-
wickets and
and when you see the players in the opposing team, that is the team Knight Riders, they have amazing players. They have some amazing batsmen.
true.
So these Team United needs to really field very well, and bowling तो strong होनी ही चाहिए उनकी.
Visors captain, please come to the commentators area for the toss. Anuj Singla, please come to the commentators area. This is the bowling challenge.
Samarth,
Every 4 and 6 gets 1.5 times the boundary score. Wicket gone is -3.
नाइट राइडर्स ने 1 रन के साथ अपना खाता खोल दिया है.
बहुत ताबड़तोड़ भागने वाले हैं ये दोनों प्लेयर्स क्रीज के बीच में. As if their life depends on it.
बिल्कुल. Look at the way they are running. Look at the swiftness.
तीन गेंदें फटाफट हो गई हैं इस इनिंग्स में सो फार. The first dot ball of this over, it was a very good ball though.
Yeah. I'm loving the way the Knight Riders are taking runs so swiftly.
So at the end of the first over, we have 5 runs. A decent start, I would say, Preeti,
Definitely.
for both the teams,
Definitely.
because there's not been any undue chances that have been taken, no wickets lost. But there were no loose balls which Knight Riders could capitalize on.
True.
That's a no ball because it was above waist height. And hence there's a free hit as well.
Let's see if Deep can take advantage. Very good fielding by Abhijit. Superb.
That's a wide ball.
And they've taken a risk of taking the second run, but it was a pretty good risk by the Knight Riders.
उन्होंने देखा कि अभिजीत थोड़ा स्लिप कर गए हैं तो उन्होंने ये
बिल्कुल,
चांस लिया. It was
बिल्कुल.
an intelligent risk to be taken. D. दो बॉल बचे हैं इस ओवर में. 13 रन का स्कोर है. This, Preeti, has been a better over for the Knight Riders than the previous one. 9 runs scored so far of 5 deliveries.
Definitely. आप ये भी तो देखिए ना कि कितने मंझे हुए खिलाड़ी खेल रहे हैं इस समय फ्रॉम द नाइट राइडर्स. बोथ दीप राजपाल एंड शिव बहल आर अमेजिंगली गुड प्लेयर्स.
Absolutely, and now is the ladies over. There's going to be only one ladies over in this match.
And Krithvi is coming in to bat, and Vaishnavi is bowling.
And Mr. Deep Goyal is on the non-strikers end with Viren as the runner. Vaishnavi to Krithvi. Oh, and that's out.
That's a wicket.
That's unfortunate.
Super.
I think Krithvi had reached, but she didn't ground her bat.
Exactly.
So that is why it's out.
That was pretty unfortunate for the Knight Riders. The score right now is 15 at loss of 1 wicket.
So that brings Mridul to the non-strikers end. Mr. Deep Goyal facing Vaishnavi.
This time the ladies are also playing pretty well. Look at the quality of their bowling.
Excellent, I would say. Oh, that was well struck. Just didn't travel the distance, and also there was Saurav.
Pretty alert.
That's a no ball and a free hit because it was above waist height. Last ball left in this over. Oh, so the female over is done with. So at this point of the match, I think it's quite evenly poised. Now is the default batting challenge over.
In the meantime, let me thank our boundary sponsors, Allah Natural, Raheja Homes, Builders and Developers, Express Cranes, Suryoday, a Bank of Smiles, Surya Hospitals.
The score at the end of 3 overs is 21 runs for the fall of 1 wicket, 24 required of 24. Ball to ball, quite evenly poised, but I would like to believe that it's within the reach of the Knight Riders.
What's the target given? I think I missed it. No.
So the batting challenge target is 4
runs. Okay.
Five balls, 3 runs required for the batting challenge. Now seems more doable. 2 runs from 4 balls.
Just need one more run to complete the batting challenge.
Quite comfortable it seems for Knight Riders, at least in the batting challenge.
Oh, and they have completed the batting challenge. But then that was a very easy target as well. That is a very safe target. The score...
Now 16 runs required of 18 balls.
I think with 1 or 2 big shots...
Not required actually, Preeti. I think no undue risks.
नहीं संदीप, मेरे ख्याल में मुझे लग रहा है कि 1-2 बड़े शॉट्स ले लेंगे तो थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल हो जाएगा फॉर द नाइट राइडर्स.
Batting lineup for the Knight Riders.
बाल बाल बचे स्वप्निल.
I think Knight Riders unnecessary pressure ले रहे हैं. Oh, that's good fielding. This over is really turning out to be very good for the Team United.
What was this?
$15 required of 13 balls. जान में जान आई, दोनों लगे हुए थे, रोहित और सौरभ.
रोहित
की बॉल बाउंड्री वॉल को न लग जाए. तो 12 गेंदों में 14 रनों की जरूरत.
संदीप, अब क्या होनी चाहिए नाइट राइडर्स की स्ट्रैटेजी? क्या कहना है आपका?
आप ही बताएं प्रीति. I think Swapnil was interested in the second run, wasn't there. Shiv rightfully said no. Now there is. All is happening in the heat of the moment.
But well played by the Knight
Needless
Riders.
overthrows, good runs, a quiet, calm mind required.
Very easy to say that. Sandeep sitting here. What a oh, this is wide.
That brings the ball and the runs required equal.
अभिजीत ने बॉल रोकने में जान लगा दी अपनी.
That's a 2D. One ball left in this over, which has been very productive for the Knight Riders.
Definitely.
6 runs required of 7 balls. The equation is in their favor. Taking a much required quick drink break. Wide given by the umpire, so now 5 runs required of 7 balls.
Four more runs required by the Knight Riders. Tension and
Knight
pressure
Riders
building up.
looking for the second win. No undue risks required at this stage. No need to get too excited.
And that's a
And
win.
they won. Knight Riders get their second win. United get their second loss.
That was a real smooth win for the Knight Riders.
Man of the match once again, Shiv Bahl.
Hey.
Earlier it was bowling, now it is batting.